75% of America's waste is recyclable, yet only 30% of it is actually recycled. My name is Shay. I'm a certified professional organizer and the co-founder of Mission to Organize. Sustainability is really important to all of us at M2O, and we work to make recycling easier for our clients. Stay tuned because we're going to share with you some of our ideas for setting up recycling systems in your own home. Before you start recycling, you'll want to know which items are accepted in your area. Take some time to research local recycling guidelines since they vary widely. There are some items like ink cartridges and electronics that need to be recycled at local businesses. Find an out-of-the-way place to store these items until you've accumulated enough to drop them off. Teach your family what you learned about recycling in your city so that they understand what can be recycled and what cannot. As a reminder, you may also want to think about posting a short list of recycling do's and don'ts near your home's main recycling location. Place your recycling container in an easy-to-access location. Consider placing it near the trash can. If you have one, a kitchen closet is an excellent location for both garbage and recycling. With a multiple level house, you may find that you need recycling bins on multiple floors. Place a paper recycle bin in your office. Only shred documents with sensitive information, since shredding breaks down the paper and reduces its recyclability. Bag up shredded paper in a paper bag and staple it before adding it to the recycle bin. Do you need to separate recyclables? If so, you may want to have several different bins for each type. Consider using stacking bins to take advantage of vertical space. How much recycling does your household accumulate? Choose the size of your container according to your specific habits. In Chicago, we are no longer allowed to place recyclables inside of plastic bags. Know whether you can use a bag or not. Maybe your city requires the use of specialty blue bags. Label your recycle bin so everybody knows where to place recyclables. If you're separating recyclables, label each bin accordingly. Do you have recycling pickup in your neighborhood? Be sure to know which days the items are picked up so you can deliver everything to the alley or curb on time. If you don't have curbside pickup, you may need to drop off items at a recycling center. Be sure to make the drop-off frequently to avoid bulky accumulation of recyclables within your home. Most people who don't recycle say that they would if only it were easier. After watching this video, you may have a few new ideas to add to your recycling repertoire. Make recycling a priority in your household and you'll make a difference to our precious planet Earth. Be sure to follow M2O on social media and visit our website for tips on organizing your home, office, move, party, and life. Go ahead and subscribe to our award-winning channel while you're here, and we'll see you next time on M2O TV. Bye!